So here's my skincare every night. First, the cleansing balm. After that, after I rinse my face, I have this cream, the serum. After that, I have to put the moisture surge so that I have my face hydrated. Dark spots corrector. So daghan man kay kung mga ulat-ulat, no. So I'm using this para mo minimize siya. In 2 weeks, hopefully that will help. The last one is this for my puffy eyes. And then napajudeus. So the wrinkle, my clinical repair. So overall, napagani daghan money siya, daghan kayo guys. So I got, so moncho ni siya muy paborito nako to cleanse my face, and I double cleanse also after I use this. I have my facial wash, scrub, and then this one, my favorite. A little bit of this, and a little bit of this, and a little bit of this. Get some ice on that plum. And a plaster. Next, I use this. I love this cream hydrator. You see? So smooth. So hydrator na ako. This is my hydrator with SPF 28 moisture surge. So I do this every night and day. And then my dark spot corrector, especially when we have a spots from our from our pimples. So this will correct, guys. It really helps you minimize your dark spots. And then my last one here is the wrinkle cream.
Isn't the word I use. Sorry about that. My mouth's a little sensitive at the moment.
I can see why. You've got a nasty toothache. How'd you get out? I think this might have something to do with it. Whoa! Did you eat this chili pepper?
I thought it was a carrot. Turns out chili plus dragon fire equals super hot tooth burning volcano breath. See?
You're... Oh, poor thing. Well, I'm gonna need to take a closer look at that tooth, so...
Ain't nobody touching my tooth.
But I'm a vet. I can
So, mauna to siya.
Thank you.
Ako ang skincare every night. maunang daghantang kuan aninip daghantang mga prayers sa atong nauno. So
I guess it's down to me then.
sa na lang. Wala siya. O, kung walay lighting. Diba? Thanks for watching.